The Puffy egg-baked casserole is a classic at our house. You might remember it from my kin community days. It's one of my most top requested recipes. You guys keep looking for this recipe, and I'm sorry it hasn't been easier to find, but it is now on my blog, so I thought I would just shoot a short little video for it to refresh your memory if you're looking for it. And it's the perfect thing for Mother's Day this weekend. Mom is always impressed by this. It takes about 6 ingredients. You might even have them sitting in your fridge already. Once you whip it all together, then you can add the cheese. I like to use this finely grated Mexican style cheese because it just bakes into the casserole and creates a really light, cheesy finish. Once you whip it all up, you might think that this doesn't look very appetizing, but I am telling you, it is like the most delicious thing once it bakes because that cottage cheese makes it almost like a souffle texture. You can do this the night before, pop it in your fridge, and then all you have to do is get up the next morning and bake it off. It's done once it's golden brown and puffed up and doesn't jiggle in the center. Then I like to pop it in these little basket cozies because I think it makes for a nice presentation. You can spoon it out and you will see just how delicious it is. Serve with some salsa and my foolproof roasted potatoes. If you want to know how to make these, click the annotation and I'll see you over there.